Fun with colors. Mastering the art of applying nail polish. Hello, language learners. Today, we're stepping into the world of personal grooming, specifically focusing on hand and nail care. Our topic for the day is applying nail polish. Don't worry if you're a beginner or an expert. We'll make sure everyone learns something new. Nail polish is a cosmetic product that we apply to our fingernails or toenails to decorate and protect the nail plates. The formula has been improved over the years, and today, it is mainly made of a mix of an organic polymer and several other components. But, all we really need to know is that nail polish comes in hundreds of colors and finishes, and applying it can be a fun and creative process. Before we get into the steps of applying nail polish, let's talk about what you'll need. 1. Nail polish remover and cotton balls. These are necessary to clean off any old polish. 2. A nail file. This helps to shape your nails. 3. Nail polish, the star of the show. You can choose any color you like. 4. Top coat and base coat. These help protect your nails and extend the life of your polish. Now, let's go through the process of applying nail polish step by step. 1. Clean your nails. Use the nail polish remover and cotton balls to clean off any old polish. 2. Shape your nails. Use the nail file to shape your nails to your desired style. 3. Apply the base coat. This will protect your nails and also help the polish to adhere better. Allow it to dry. 4. Apply the nail polish. Now comes the fun part. Apply your chosen nail polish in thin coats. It's better to apply a few thin coats than one thick coat. 5. Allow your nails to dry. Give your nails time to dry between coats. This prevents smudging and helps the polish to last longer. 6. Apply the top coat. Once your nail polish is dry, apply the top coat. This will give your nails a shiny finish and help the color to last longer. And there you have it. You've now learned all about nail polish, the tools you need, and the steps to apply it. Whether you're preparing for a special occasion or just want to add a pop of color to your everyday life, applying nail polish can be a great way to express yourself and improve your English vocabulary about grooming. We hope you found this lesson helpful, and remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing your English, and keep shining with your colorful nails.